everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the MyPad sewing machine needle organizer. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below and don't forget to click the little ding, and this way you get notifications every time I upload a new video. The MyPad sewing machine needle organizer is distributed by Notions. They are most known for their Grabbit products, like this one, and Schmetz needles. Their marketing director and spokesperson is Rhonda Pierce, and I've met Rhonda many times, and she's just a wonderful lady, kind, sweet, and wealth of sewing knowledge. So if you ever have a chance to meet her, be sure to ask her a few sewing questions, specifically needle questions. She will tell you all kinds of cool things that you never knew existed about your sewing needles. So today, let's go ahead and talk more about the MyPad sewing machine needle organizer, learn what it can do, and some other cool things.
Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the MyPad sewing machine needle organizer. It comes in a plastic bag with a cardboard set of instructions and then, of course, the pad. The pad measures 6 3/4 inch square and it is 1/4 inch thick. It is a super thick felted pad. Printed on the front of the MyPad in lots of fun, bright colors are all of the designated needle types and their corresponding sizes to go along with them. The MyPad comes with a flower head pin. Now this pin is designed to stay in the position of the needle that you have inside your machine. So for example, right now I can see that in my machine is a universal size 80-12. And once you're finished using your sewing machine needle, go ahead and insert it into the MyPad in the spot that's designated for it. All the needles that are in the MyPad have been used. And you have a place for specialty needles too.
So what did you think of the MyPad sewing machine needle organizer? I'd love to hear in the comments below if you personally own one and or what do you use to store your sewing machine needles. And if you'd like to get your very own MyPad sewing machine needle organizer, just ask your local dealer, or there are a few links in the description below. And how much does the MyPad sewing machine needle organizer retail for? Retails for $11.95. So if you learned something new or if you enjoyed this review, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're not already, be sure to subscribe below and click the little dinger button. That way you get alerts every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoy social media like I do, and you're kind of a social butterfly, be sure to follow me at Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. I'm everywhere at Sue O'Very Designs. And then a friendly little thing I wanted to share with you is that we have a fan club now. Be sure to join us at the fan club. It's on Facebook. All the information is in the link below. And until the next time that I get to see you or you see me, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye!